Hello and welcome to the Taste of the Caribbean Islands. Today I'm going to make for you a vegetarian curry potato dish. Very tasty dish if you're into vegetarian cooking. We're going to start with one chopped onion, three russet potatoes, 3 tablespoons of grape tomatoes, and we have also 2 chopped carrots. This is some curry powder. We have at least, I would say, 3 tablespoons of that, 1 tablespoon of chopped thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 2 packets of Goya, half a teaspoon of black pepper. We do have a Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. And we're gonna get started. So I have some oil on the stove. I'm going to drop the onions in there. It's going to sizzle. I'll throw this out. I'm going to let that saute for at least, let's let it saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it is on medium fire. Okay, what I'm gonna do after 2 minutes, we're just going to drop some of this curry powder in there. You get some light there. You can see what it looks like. Okay. We got another minute here, so we're gonna have it saute for another minute. When the onions start to turn translucent, that's when you actually put this curry powder in here. And stir. Oh, it's looking good. Let's get some of, we got some pieces here. All right, so I'm gonna pour this. Now you can definitely smell the onions now. So it's time to pour this in here. I'm gonna drop the whole thing in here. I'm gonna mix it around. You don't want this curry to burn. You're just going to mix it around. Make sure it doesn't turn too much of a dark brown color. But see how it's bubbling? It really looks very, very good. Okay, I'm going to take this is the thyme right here. We're gonna just put it in here. You're going to also take this garlic powder, teaspoon of that, onion powder, teaspoon of that, and I'm gonna mix it all around. It's gonna really add a nicer flavor to this. Then what I'm going to also do is I'm going to put this right here. I'm just gonna wash this. Okay, so these are the russet potatoes, and what I'm going to do is just mix this around. This right here. That's looking really good. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 Maggi cube. Okay, we're also gonna add 1 the entire stick of Maggi cube. We're gonna just break it into fine pieces right here. Okay, that is done. All right. Okay. Gonna just continue to mix everything around and tell you what we're going to do next. We're gonna add also the carrots. Mix it all around here. Carrots are there. We're not going to add. Actually, yeah, let's add this. This is the black pepper. We're going to need some of that. We're also going to need the Scotch bonnet. Wash this off. I'm just going to cut this in half. You just cut it in half and just drop it in there. All right, we're also going to add a pack of Goya. I like to use the white packet right here. So you want to make sure that you get the one that has the pork chop on there. Even though it has a pork chop, it's still good for vegetables. So, all right. I'm gonna mix that all around. Just want to make sure pour that in there. So, okay. I'm gonna mix this around. All right. It's looking really good. Okay, you have the option of zooming in, and that's what it looks like right now. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour at least 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water in there. Okay. We're going to pour 2. So this is 1 cup. Two cups. Smells incredible. That smell is incredible. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is gonna go down pretty quickly. So to be on the safe side, let's say we may need 3 cups instead. We're gonna put 3 cups. So this is gonna go down very quickly. Okay. All right, we should be almost set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add these tomatoes here. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to add the parsley. I'm going to save this. Let's only had half of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to the end. We're going to put everything away, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it is done. So we're going to have 1 more packet of this, and I'm going to say we can actually use about a teaspoon of the all-purpose seasoning Goya with pepper. We're going to add about, let's say, a teaspoon. one. Okay. And that, we're gonna make sure we mix it around. We definitely need to, at this stage, you can see how really, really good it looks. Looks like a masterpiece, I tell you. What you're going to do is you want to taste it to make sure it has enough salt. So I'm going to just taste a little bit of it just to see what it tastes like. The curry is really good. It does need another one of these, Maggi. I'm going to put another one of the Maggi cubes in here and crush this. And then there it is. And put the whole thing in here. It's a long Maggi cube, so you need it. Now you know you need at least 2 of those in here. All right. Okay, just gonna mix everything around. Just turn this right there. That pot is really hot too. All right, but it's looking really good. Okay, and then make sure you taste. Tastes really good. Really, really good. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to have this on the stove for the next 20 minutes. We're going to put the pot cover on this, and you're going to see what the finished product looks like. Now, if it doesn't have enough flavor, you can always add another packet of Sazon Goya that you can flavor it according to your taste. But it should be done in the next 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna put this under medium fire and let it cook. All right, and then we'll check back in the next 20 minutes. Okay, so let's put this pot cover on, and then we will complete this. All right, and we are back. I know I actually mentioned 20 to 25 minutes under medium fire, but after 10 minutes, turn it on low fire after 10 minutes and let it cook the rest of the way under low fire. So we're going to add that final ingredient that I did tell you about. And I actually had to add another packet of Sazon Goya to bring up the flavor, but this is what the finished product looks like. And you can just sprinkle a little bit of parsley just to give it some color. So you're looking at the final product here. So this is really tasty. When you actually get a chance to taste it, really, really tasty. I'm going to actually serve it with some cauliflower rice here. I'm going to serve it with some cauliflower rice so you can see what the finished product looks like. Tell you, the taste of this is really, really amazing. So you can eat this with just about anything. And this is the final product right here. So this is what it looks like. And this can actually be served with fried plantains as well. Let's get this. I'm gonna give this a try right here. Look at how tender these potatoes are, and you can actually have some of the sauce with this cauliflower rice. So let's try a little bit of it. It's really good. You taste the depth of the curry and the cauliflower rice. It's fantastic. Definitely advise you to make this dish. Great dish to have just about any day of the week. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks again.